Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some points regarding regression analysis and its techniques. The topics covered in this video is regression analysis and its importance, regression line and regression equations, how companies use regression analysis, when to use regression analysis, terminologies used in regression, how to avoid problems in regression. Regression analysis and its importance. The evaluation of a relationship between two or more variables is called regression analysis. It is a statistical technique. Regression analysis helps enterprises to understand what that points represents and use them wisely in coordination with the different businesses' analytical techniques in order to make better decisions. Regression analysis and its importance continuation. The benefit of regression analysis is that it allows data crushing to help businesses make better decisions. A greater understanding of variables can impact the success of a business in the coming weeks, months and years in the future. Data science. The regression method of forecasting, as the name implies, is used for forecasting and for finding the causal relationship between the variables. From business point of view, the regression method of forecasting can be helpful for an individual working with data in the following ways: predicting sales in the near and long term, understanding demand and supply, understanding inventory levels, review and understand how variables impact all these factors. How do businesses use regression methods? Understand the following. Why did customer service calls drop in past months? How the sales will look in the months 6 months? Which marketing promotion method to choose? Whether to expand the businesses or create and market a new product. What is a regression analysis? In this field of statistics, the regression line is a line that best describes the behavior of a data set such that the overall distance from the line to the points plotted on the graph is the smallest. In layman's words, it is a line that best fits the trend of a given set of data. If you take two variables x and y, then we be two regression lines. Regression lines y on x, this gives the most probable y values from the given values of x. Regression line x on y, this gives the most probable values of x from the given values of y. What is regression equation? In statistics, the regression equation is the algebraic expansion of the regression lines. In simple terms, it is used to predict the values of the dependent variable from the given values of independent variables. Regression equation of a y on x. Y equal to a plus bx. A and b are unknowns. We can determine it by equations. Summation of y is equals to na plus b summation of x. Summation of xy is equals to a summation of x plus b summation of x square. Regression equation of x on y. X is equals to a plus by, where x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. How do businesses use this regression analysis? Regression analysis is a statistical technique used to evaluate the relationship between two or more independent variables. Organizations can use regression analysis to understand the significance of the data points and use analytical techniques to make better decisions. Businesses, analysts and data professionals use this statistical tool to delete unwanted variables and select significant ones. There are numerous ways that business use regression analysis. Let us discuss some of them below. How do businesses use regression analysis? Decision making, optimization of a business, predictive analysis, correcting errors, new insights. When should use regression analysis? Regression analysis is mainly used to describe the relationship between the set of independent variables and the dependent variables. It generates a regression equation where coefficients of correspondence to the relationships between each independent and dependent variable. analyze a wide variety of relationships. You can use the method of a regression analysis to perform many things. For example, to model multiple independent of variables, include continuous and categorical variables, use polynomial terms for curve fitting, evaluate interactions terms to examine whether the effect of one dependent and independent variable value of another variable. What are tips to avoid common problems in a regression analysis? Research before. Always prefer simple models. Correlation doesn't imply cautions. Include graphs, confidence and prediction intervals in the results. Check residual plots. The conclusion is regression analysis is an interesting machine learning technique utilized extensively by enterprising to transfer data into successful information. It continues to be significant asset to many leading sectors starting from finance, education, banking, retail, medicine, media, etc. Thank you all.